Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our PhD Digital Maths. And today we are going to solve the MCQs of area related to circles. And the questions are 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Hopefully, everyone is preparing for your pre-board exams, right? So, उतना ही practice हो रहा होगा, hopefully. Chalo, let's start with our first question. That is question number 7 from R.D. Sharma. Here we go with our question number 17. The area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle. Again, see the word inscribed in a semicircle. That means semicircle के अंदर एक triangle inscribed है. Of radius r. So already radius is given. So we will name the triangle AB. Take this C and this will be O. Okay. So this AO, OB and CO. तीनों क्या है? Radius. So we will take this R. So what is the question? Area of the largest triangle. हमें क्या find करना है? Area of the largest triangle find करना है. Let's write the base of the largest triangle is the base of the largest triangle is. क्या है base? AB है. AB is equal to how much? R plus R, that is 2R. Okay. The base of the largest triangle is R plus R, 2R. Now, height of the triangle ABC is equal to R. चिल्ड्रन, ये आपको समझाने के लिए पूरा लिख रही हूँ. अदरवाइज अगर आप MCQ सॉल्व कर रहे हो, जरूरत नहीं है इतना लिखने के लिए. आपको समझ में आए इसीलिए ऐसे लिखा जा रहा है. ओके, ABC इज इक्वल टू R. नाउ हमें क्या चाहिए अभी? देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हाफ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेस multiplied by height. Okay, so half multiplied by base multiplied by height. That means half multiplied by base कितना है? 2R and height कितना है? R. So after simplification, 2, the final answer is R square. Final answer क्या है? R square. So which is our final answer? Here it is. Option B is our correct option. कौन सा है? Option B. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 18. The ratio of the areas of a circle and an equilateral triangle whose diameter and the side are respectively equal. Okay, so what is given here? Equal is given. What are equal? Diameter and sides are equal. Whose circle and equilateral? So what we need to find out? Area of the circle and equilateral ratio. So area ratio जब निकालेंगे पहले क्या आएगा? Circle का area रखना है and denominator में triangle का area रखना है. So first given, let the side of equilateral triangle is equal to A. Therefore, area क्या होगा? Under root 3 upon 4A square. Okay, this is formula. ये formula है, don't forget that. Okay, this is also formula. Next, diameter of the circle. Diameter of a circle is equal to A, because given a diameter and the side are respectively equal. So radius क्या होगा? Radius is equal to A upon 2, half of the diameter. Therefore, area is equal to pi r square. That means pi a square upon 4, right? A square upon 4. Again, this is also formula. Now ratio of area of circle and triangle. So न्यूमरेटर में क्या लिखेंगे? पहले सर्कल का लिखेंगे. So pi a square upon 4 upon under root 3 upon 4 a square, right? So simple form में हम लोग लिखते हैं a square upon 4 divided by under root 3 upon 4 a square, and pi a square upon 4 multiply by 4 under root 3 a square. So now we will simplify this. A square 4 4. Okay, so final answer is pi under root 3 pi is to 3. So which is the correct option? Option B. Okay, here under root is missed. This is under root 3. Okay, so correct option is pi is to root 3. Option B. Next question. Question number 19. If the sum of areas of two circles with radius R1 and R2 is equal to the areas of the circles of radius R, then R1 square plus R2 square. We need to find out the value. So let's write sum of area of two circles. पहले जो दिया है उसे पहले लिख लेते हैं हम लोग, जो given है. Okay, with R1 and R2. So area क्या होगा? Pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. We will take common pi. So R1 square plus R2 square. हो गया? Now next is क्या बोला? This is equal to the third circle whose radius is R. मतलब तीसरा सर्कल जो है उसका रेडियस R है, और इन दोनों का सम ऑफ द एरिया इज इक्वल टू द थर्ड सर्कल्स एरिया. सो देन गिवन we will write third circle area. Okay, area of a circle, ब्रैकेट में मैं लिख रही हूं, आपको इजीली समझ में आएगा. थर्ड सर्कल, बट दिया नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. वी विल जस्ट कंसिडर दैट विथ रेडियस r इज इक्वल टू पाई r स्क्वायर. ओके, जिसका रेडियस r है, दिया है ऑलरेडी, इक्वल टू द एरिया ऑफ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस r. Therefore given this is equal to this, pi r1 square plus r2 square is equal to pi r square. We will simplify directly here. Pi simplified. So our answer will be r1 square plus r2 square is equal to only r square. So which option is correct? Option B. ओके, ऑप्शन बी देखो, इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर, क्वेश्चन में greater than is equal to smaller than, so option B is our correct option and this is our answer. Next question, question number 20. If the perimeter of a semicircular protractor is 36 centimeter, okay, semicircular protractor means this area, ओके ये जो पूरा लाइन से ये सेमी सर्कुलर ही है ना, सो दिस एरिया प्रोटेक्टर कैसे रहता है, सो ये पूरा जो है ये प्रोटेक्टर है, उसका पेरीमीटर, ओके, द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सेमी सर्कुलर प्रोटेक्टर इज 36 सेंटीमीटर. सो लेट्स राइट पेरीमीटर ऑफ semicircle is equal to 36 centimeter. Directly we will put the formula. What is the formula of semicircle? Usually क्या रहता है 2 pi r, our circle formula. So semicircle के लिए 2 pi r upon 2. So 2 get cancelled. Pi r, right? So pi r plus d. Pi r plus d. चलो we will write down pi r up, sorry upon नहीं, plus d, plus d. Okay, this is semicircles perimeter, pi r plus d is our formula. So instead of pi we will write down 22 upon 7, okay, multiplied by we don't know the r, so we will write like this only, plus instead of d we will write down 2r, okay, instead of d we will write down 2r, because देखो दोनों जगह पे सेम वेरिएबल रहेगा तो हमें फाइंड आउट के लिए इजी है, सो हम 2r लिख देंगे. नाउ 22 r upon 7, we will take LCM, plus 14r is equal to 36. So after adding 36r is equal to 36 into 7, multiply नहीं करेंगे because ये simplify हो जाता है. So after simplification 36, so our answer is r is equal to 7, but our question is diameter, right? Diameter निकालना है. So diameter is equal to 2r, that means 2 into 7, 14 centimeter. So our correct answer is 14 centimeter and option is C option. Third option is our correct option. Next question. Question number 21. The perimeter of the sector OAB shown in the figure. Okay, ये आपका figure दिया है OAB. Now we need to find out the perimeter of this thing. तो गिवन क्या है, ओनली हमारे पास रेडियस है, ओके, ये 7 है तो ये भी 7 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज 60 डिग्री गिवन. सो पहले हमें क्या करना है, फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं, रेडियस ऑफ सेक्टर of 60 degree given is equal to 7 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter क्या होगा? Of course boundary है ना, तो OA plus OB plus AB arc. So OA OB 2R we can write, right? Because दो R है plus arc AB, okay, is equal to, पहले आर्क का निकालना पड़ेगा, हमारे पास आर्क नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट आर्क AB. ओके, फॉर्मूला क्या है, थीटा अपन 360 इंटू 2 पाई r. So instead of theta we will write 60 upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi, okay, 22 upon 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r is 7. Now we will simplify this. 7 7 0 0 6 6 are 36. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 22 upon 3 is our arc. 22 upon 3 centimeter. What is AB arc? 22 upon 3 cm. Now we will find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2r. So 2 multiplied by, this is the formula, 2 multiplied by 7 plus 22 upon 3. Okay. So this will be your 14 plus 22 upon 3. We will take the LCM. 42 plus 22 upon 3. 64 upon 3 centimeter. Okay. 64 upon 3 centimeter. Here the question is 64 upon 3. Okay. Options are 64 upon 3 and this is also 64 upon 5. 26, 29, yes. So which option is correct? 64 upon 3 means our correct answer is option B. Option B is our correct answer. Okay. Hopefully सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा. अगर कुछ doubts है then put it in the comment section. I will try to clear all your doubts. So please, अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है वीडियोस और मेरे वीडियोस आपको मदद कर रहे हैं, so do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel PhD Digital Maths. See you in the next session.